So let's give this a try. So good. You must try it at home. You got the oil, the garlic, the Parmesan cheese, and the white wine. Just mixes well together. Hi, my name is Anna. I've been baking for the past 20 years. I've developed a passion for baking from my Italian parents. So join me for some delicious, quick, authentic recipes. I have hundreds to choose from and to share with you. So whether you're just starting out or have an interest in baking, follow me and we'll get inspired. Benvenuti. Today we're making mussels in white wine and garlic as an appetizer. I will also show you how to create a meal out of it. So for this recipe, you'll need mussels, Parmesan cheese, salt, basil, garlic, parsley, olive oil, and white wine. And of course, linguine. I'll have the full recipe at the end. So we're going to start by steaming our mussels. So we're just going to simmer them till they all open up. Okay. Also, a word of advice, if you have any of your shells that are not open, just discard them, throw them away. You don't want to eat those. Now we're going to add our salt. Of course, our garlic and olive oil. And you're going to saute that for a few minutes so all the flavors combine. Nice, starting to smell so good. I'm doing them in two parts. This way we get all the flavors right through. Such an easy recipe to make. Quick, easy, and delicious. I'm going to add some of our parsley. Now we're going to add our white wine. So it doesn't matter how much white wine you add. It really is nice to dip any of your bread, any focaccia you may have. So if you want a little bit more of a sauce, feel free to put more white wine. We'll let that cook through for a little bit longer. Oh, they smell so good. Okay, so let's do our second half. Oh, that smells so good. There we go. That's a beautiful, delicious appetizer. Now I'm going to show you how to create a meal out of your appetizer. Okay, our water has come to a boil. We'll give it 11 minutes. So our pasta is ready. We're just going to strain it. You could use a colander. And then we're going to put it together with our mussels. Okay, our pasta is ready. So we have our mussels here, which is really nice as an appetizer. And then you're going to get your pasta. So I also wanted to mention to save some of your water from the pasta. This way, if you need to add a bit of moisture, that's what I would use, definitely. So then we're going to get your mussels. We're going to place it on top. So you could plate it this way and serve it this way, but I also like to mix the pasta together with your mussels. That's definitely doable. You can do that as well. So then, of course, top it off with Parmesan cheese and fresh basil. There you go. Delicious as an appetizer or as a meal. So what I also like to do, so of course, I showed you how to plate your pasta and mussels, but if you're going to serve it for a gathering, your guests at home, what I like to do is add my pasta mixed in with my mussels. So you just add it in, and that's where the water comes in just a little bit to add some moisture. There we go, add it all in. Don't worry if you have a bit of the water, because we were going to add some to this anyways. And then of course, you need your Parmesan cheese. Put an abundance amount. Of course, your basil. You could add chopped basil or whole basil. Just give it a mix. There you have it. A beautiful dish to serve for your guests at a buffet table and ready to go. So let's give this a try. It looks so delicious. Smells so good. So good. You must try it at home. You got the oil, the garlic, the Parmesan cheese, and the white wine. Just mixes well together. So if you enjoyed this recipe, press the like and subscribe button. Your support is encouraging.